Now let's say our application is ready and we want to take payments and we want to launch our one-time payment plan. This is very good for lifetime access for a software selling courses or some kind of playbooks. So let's see how we can do it in Indicate. First, you need to set up your Stripe or Lemon Squeezy or any of the payment gateways. You can also choose PayPal or Dodo Payments. In this example, I'm going to take example of Stripe. First, move ahead to Super Admin, go to Plans. Here, create a plan. For example, I have created a Pro plan. Edit that plan, and here toggle the one-time pricing. Let's go to Stripe. Here we have to create a product. Create a product. Let's say Nano Banana Pro X. We can choose the pricing model, and here we need a standard pricing model because we have a one-time pricing here. So let's say it is of $49 or $499 for lifetime access. Let's save a product. After the product has been created, you will see there is a pricing section here, and inside pricing you will be able to see your pricing. Click on it and you will be able to copy this pricing ID by copying this. Now let's go to Indicate. Here we can paste the Stripe price ID here and we can update the plan. So plan has been updated. If you will go and click on edit, here we will see that we have also specified the price here, but this will not matter because we are managing prices through Stripe. So you can ignore these two inputs when you are dealing with Stripe. So we have created our plan on Indicate as well as on Stripe. Now let's configure Stripe on our system. Let's open .env file. Here we have to update these three variables. How to do that? Go to your Stripe dashboard. Here search for API keys. Copy these publishable API key and secret keys and update it in the environment variables. After updating them, create a new terminal. Here enter Stripe login. By the way, everything is documented under integration section of each and every payment gateway. So I'm running this Stripe login command and I have to press enter here. It will open a new browser where I have to connect my Stripe to my terminal. Now let's allow the access. Here we can see access has been granted. Now let's move to the terminal and see. Now here we have to run Stripe, listen and forward to the localhost webhook URL. We will be provided with the webhook signing secret. We have to copy it and paste it here in the environment variables. Let's save it. Done. Our Stripe setup has been done. Now let's see how to make user pay for a product. So I have created one free plan as well, and my one and only user, which is Charanjit.Singh, he is on free plan. Now let's log in as Charanjit.Singh and see how it works. Now I am on my home page and let's say we want to add a payment button here. How can we do that? We can go to our code editor and here we can add our own button. And let's say we can buy Pro plan. Here you can see that we have to provide a href to this particular link, and for that Indicate provides you a utility. You can open it like this and here you can write get subscribe URL, and inside get subscribe URL you can pass the code name of the product, which is Pro. You have to pass the type, which is plan type dot one time. You have to pass the provider, which is plan provider dot Stripe, and if you want to provide trial as well, you can mention it here. But I don't want to provide trial on my lifetime plan because it doesn't make any sense. Here we can see that we have a button. Let's click on it and you will be redirected to Stripe for payment. Here we can see that it is showing the price that we have configured on our Stripe dashboard. And we can also see that the email is pre-filled and cannot be edited. Now let's try to enter our card details. Let's click on pay. And we can see that payment is successful. Now let's see the terminal first. Here we can see that we have received a webhook on Stripe. And on the dashboard, we can see that our current plan has been upgraded to Pro. I can also manage my subscription by clicking on Manage Plan and here clicking on Manage Subscription. But before that, we have to enable Customer Portal in the Stripe dashboard. After updating it on the Stripe dashboard, you can go to your app and click on Manage Subscription, and your users can manage subscriptions like this. Now let's take a look at how to collect subscription payments using Indicate.